In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call a contact or group directly in Google Meet. If you've ever found yourself wanting to quickly connect with a colleague or a group for a virtual meetup without the hassle of creating a dedicated meeting link, this guide will show you just how simple and efficient the process can be. Whether you're initiating a voice or video call, Google Meet offers a streamlined approach to make your work and personal communication more effective. To start, open your web browser and navigate directly to Google Meet's homepage. This is the central hub of Google's video conferencing tool, and it's your gateway to starting meetings and making calls with just a few clicks. Once you are on the Google Meet page, look for and select the option that says Calls. By doing this, you're directly accessing Google Meet's calling feature, which is designed to connect you with individuals or groups swiftly and effortlessly. In the new window that appears, locate the search field. It's typically at the top and acts as your personal directory, connecting you to anyone linked to your Google contacts. Here, type the name of the person you want to call. This search function makes it incredibly easy to find contacts, bringing up a list of people matching your query. Once you see the person you wish to call, click on their name from the search results. This action brings up their contact record, essentially confirming your choice and preparing for the call setup. Now you'll need to click on Continue. This step ensures that you've confirmed your selection and are ready to proceed. It's like giving Google Meet the green light to move on to the calling options. After that, you will be prompted to choose between a voice call or a video call. Depending on your preference or the nature of your meeting, select either option. A voice call is perfect for when you need quick verbal interaction without video. On the other hand, a video call is ideal when you want face-to-face interaction and feel more connected visually. With those steps completed, your call will be set up and initiated. Congratulations, you've just connected with your contact or group directly in Google Meet. This approach is not only efficient, but also leverages Google's seamless integration with your digital workspace, making communication more accessible than ever before. Remember, practice makes perfect, and navigating these tools becomes second nature with regular use. Hopefully, this guide helps you make the most of what Google Meet has to offer, whether for business or personal use. Thanks for watching and happy calling.